Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. From great disasters and criticism to cancer cure. Here are blind mystic Baba Vaga's prediction for 2021. For the uninitiated, Baba Vanga, sometimes called the Nostradamus for the Balkans, foretold major world events in a series of mystical predictions as far forward as 5079. Baba Vanga's 2021 predictions. As the dreadful 2020 is coming to an end, we all are hoping for some cheer and wishing for a peaceful 2021 ahead. However, seems there is no respite from troubles in the next year as well. According to blind Bulgarian mystic Baba Vanga, Vanga has predicted that the world will suffer from a lot of cataclysms and great disasters in 2021. The consciousness of people will change, difficult times will come, people will be divided by their faith. We are witnessing devastating events that will change the fate and destiny of humanity, she said. For the uninitiated, Baba Vanga, sometimes called the Nostradamus of the Balkans, foretold major world events in a series of mystical predictions as far forward as 5079. Vanga is rumored to have predicted the 9/11 terror attacks on the World Trade Center in New York 12 years prior in 1989. After some of her pronouncements came true, she has now become a cult figure among conspiracy theorists. Here are her other major predictions for 2021. Wenger has made a bizarre claim that a dragon will take over the planet. She is claimed to have said a strong dragon will seize humanity. The three giants will unite. Some people will have red money. I see the numbers 100, 5, and many zeros. However, Baba Vanga has also predicted that a cure for cancer will be found in 2021. She claimed at the beginning of the 21st century, humanity will get rid of cancer. The day will come when cancer will get tied with iron chains. Things are not looking good for Donald Trump, as Baba Vanga said. She will apparently suffer from a mysterious disease. She claimed the 45th POTUS will become sick with a mysterious disease that will leave him deaf and cause brain trauma. Further, she claimed that Europe's economy will fall. An assassination attempt will be carried out against Russian President Vladimir Putin by someone within his own country. An Islamic extremist will stage an attack in Europe. She also claimed that within the next 200 years, humans will have made contact with aliens. She predicted life is in cosmos will be discovered, and suddenly it will be clear how life on Earth first appeared. adding people will get in touch with their spiritual siblings from other worlds. Notably, Wanga lost her vision at the age of 12 and uh, claimed that at the same time she became aware that she was given her a very rare gift from God to see into the future. Wenger had also predicted the rise of ISIS and said that America's 44th president would be African American. Thank you.